Hi, my name is Muhammad Haziq from the collective, and I will be presenting about our findings on the company that we surveyed, which is Outback Venture Borneo. So our group consists of Ahmad Izham, Muhammad Adib Fahmie, Alif Safwan, Alif Danial, Muhammad Haziq, and Muhammad Danial. Let's look into the company's profile. The nature of business of Outback Venture Borneo is travel and tour. It is a very famous tourist destination in Putatan, Kota Kinabalu. There are only 7 number of employees. The main business headquarters is in Putatan, Kota Kinabalu, and the company has been operating for 5 years. For the SWOT analysis, for the strength part, the company strongly agreed that they can respond very quickly because they can make good decisions and act accordingly. The company strongly agreed that they can give really good customer care because the small amount of work allows them to dedicate their time to provide excellent customer care. The company strongly agreed that their lead consultant has a strong reputation in the market. The company also strongly agreed that they can change the direction quickly if they found out that their marketing is not working. And lastly, the company strongly agreed that they can offer good value to customers. For the weakness part, the company disagreed that they have little market presence or reputation because they have gained a lot of reputation after 5 years of operation. The company strongly disagreed having a small staff with shallow skills based in many areas. Because of their small staff, they are able to prioritize ongoing learning to ensure continuous skill enhancement. The company strongly disagreed that they are vulnerable to vital staff being sick or leaving. The company disagreed that their cash flow will be unreliable in the early stages. For the opportunities part, the company responded neutral to their business sector expanding with many future opportunities for success as well as local government encouraging local businesses. The company strongly disagreed that their competitors may be slow to adapt new technologies. Their competitors are constantly kept up with new technologies in the work to maintain their reputation and rank in business. For the threats part, the company disagreed that developments in technology may change this market beyond their ability to adapt because they are constantly improving their company from time to time. Lastly, the company responded neutral to small change in the focus of a large competitor might wipe out any market position that they achieve. Moving on to the poster's 5 forces, in terms of competitive rivalry, the company stated that they have 3 to 4 established competitors such as Borneo Ecotour, Borneo Calling Tour and Travel, and etc. The company stated that the quality of their products and services compared to their rivals are more or less the same. In terms of bargaining power of supplier, the company stated that they have a few potential suppliers that they use, and they have 2 or 3 suppliers that are available for their key products. The company stated that there is not much difference in the uniqueness of the products and services that they provide. In terms of bargaining power of customers, the company stated that the number of buyers are more or less the same, and it would be costly to switch from their products and services to those of their rival. Lastly, the company did not want to discuss regarding whether their buyers are strong enough to dictate terms with them. In terms of threat of new entrants, the company stated that they have no trouble ensuring a stable position in the market, but it would be a bit high cost. The company stated that there could be many new competitors running up. In terms of threat of substitute products or services, the company stated that they face many threats in terms of advancement. The company stated that their customers are extremely likely to be inclined to change. The, the company stated that it would cost them a bit expensive for them to switch. In terms of government influence, the company responded yes to the questions asked, which include government regulation influences their business, government taxation influences their business, and government trade policies influences their business. Moving on to the poster's generic strategy. In terms of the cost leadership strategy, the company disagree with increasing profits by reducing costs while changing industry average price. The company also disagrees with increasing market share by charging lower. In terms of the differentiation strategy, the company agree with good research, development and innovative. The company also agrees with the ability to deliver high quality product or services and effective sales and marketing so that the market understands the benefits offered by the differentiated offerings. In terms of the focus strategy, the company agrees with concentrate on particular niche markets and by understanding the dynamics of that market and the unique needs of customers. The company agrees with understanding the dynamics of that market and the unique needs of customers. The company agrees with develop uniquely low cost or well specified product for the market. The company agrees with serve customer in their market uniquely well. And lastly, the company agrees with tend to build strong brand loyalty amongst their customer. In short, the company will focus strategy to provide the customer with the best experience with the goal of forming a bond which can lead to brand loyalty and increase their popularity. Moving on to human resource strategy. HR strategy is a roadmap for solving an organization's biggest challenges with people-centric solutions. In terms of human-centric, employees are able to adapt more flexible working, focus on more face-to-face interaction after the pandemic, and improve relationship between boss and employee. In terms of agile and nimble organizational structure, hybrid working mode introduced to increase productivity. HR support hybrid method to increase redeployment of workers, and work-life balance increased by introducing staggered hours. In terms of health and safety priority, mental health of workers are important and counseling will be provided. The company responded very important to the 10 essential skills that a future hospitality and tourism manager should master. The skills include customer service skills, networking skills, communication skills, flexibility skills, organizational skills, language skills, commitment, can-do attitude, multitasking skills, cultural awareness. The companies added one additional skill that is important to master in tourism industry, which is flexibility to work when required. In conclusion, the assignment's primary goal was successfully achieved as we established contact with a company and acquired valuable insights into its HR strategy and internal workings. The method of approach that we used was a meticulously designed questionnaire was employed to efficiently acquire the necessary information required for accomplishing the objective. For the key takeaway 1, the HR company serves as the guiding compass for a company, holding the power to shape its destiny and determine its triumph and endurance. For the key takeaway 2, tourism companies are consistent in applying strategies for sustained success amidst challenges, stand out in the competition, embrace technology, diversity for seasonality, and prioritize sustainability. For the for the results. 4. For focus strategy was often used. 5. Government actions highly make an impact to the company. And 5. Health and safety is the HR strategy. That is all from us. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.